ride downtown and drove by some of the sports arenas. So we're here on Belle Island in Detroit. We thought we'd get some exercise, so we're on our electric bikes. There were lots of people out enjoying the weekend. There was an aquarium there, a conservatory, and the biking around the small island was excellent. From the north side of Belle Isle, you get a nice view of the city of Detroit. So from the southern side of Belle Island, you can see clear across to Canada. That would be Ontario in the background, just across the water.
You can swim there.
The conservatory is one of the nation's oldest turn-of-the-century glass houses still in existence. Conservatory is named for Anna Whitcomb, who left her collection of 600 orchids to the city of Detroit in 1955. It had many different rooms of flowers, ferns, and cactus. And best of all, it's free admission. After our bike ride, we felt we had earned a visit to a brewery, so we headed to the Eastern Market neighborhood. Lagerhouse No. 5 didn't offer flights, but we really enjoyed the German wheat and the Munich Dunkel. There we enjoyed a schnitzel sandwich and curry fries.
What a big deer.
9 inches tall, in fact.
upon this vintage market, and the streets are rocking. But we are at Eastern Brewing Company. I guess they're not big on flights here, but at least this place offered 5-ounce pours. So we're gonna try 3, and we actually kind of did the old like cup thing. So we're gonna have to guess what's what here.
Next up, we revisit yesteryear and celebrate American innovation. Can you guess where we're going? Comment below.